Hi, Paul here from the Hell Team Trials Workshop. We're just going to have a look today at the new for 2024 TRRS GOLD Trials bike model. This bike's available in 125, 250, 280 and 300, and those bigger capacities, the 250 to 300, you can also get in kick and electric start. This is the premium trials bike from TRRS and has some amazing details on it. So it does really tick all the boxes, and we're going to have a closer look today so we can show you some of the great things that this TRRS GOLD has. Kicking off at the front end, we might just start with the obvious, being these Kashima coated Tech forks. It's a hard anodized upper fork stanchion that reduces weight, increases lubrication and reduces friction. It has the progressively wound spring in the left hand fork leg, the damper cartridge in the right, adjustments for preload, rebound, compression and bottom out compression. A nice set of fork legs. And then bridging those fork legs comes down to the fork brace, and that's a full carbon fork brace from TRRS. Beautiful looking thing, also really strong, bridging those forks. Topped off with these exceptional brake and clutch lines, Teflon coated, steel braided, then plastic coating and a rigid black plastic coating on that brake line to stop any twist. Front hubs anodized, and as you can see behind that, you're moving across to the new top of the range CNC milled Brake Tech Evo 4 caliper, the best you can get. Upstairs in the controls department, Brake Tech again on the brake and clutch side. Hard anodized red covers, the Brake Tech adjusters on the free play adjuster and lever reach adjusters. Rental medium grips on both sides, rental fat bars, Leonelli kill switch, the big rental bar pad, top of the range controls on both sides here. Also the addition of the new TRRS ultra fast throttle that no one else uses. It's a Domino white throttle, so a normal Domino fast throttle, but they've added a small piece of plastic on the inside of the throttle ramp just to quicken the initial response on these. So as you can see here as I rotate the bar, you can see that black piece of plastic. That just quickens up the throttle response on the first part of the throttle movement. Just some purely cosmetic enhancements, but some really nice little bling bits. See this little red anodized piece on the fuel vent. They've added some parts across here where you look at the wheel rims. The rim lock has been anodized red. While we're down there, obviously the best Michelin Trials competition tyres, front and back. And right across the bike there's this little highlight, so the kickstart bush, the oil filler here, the gold side cases, red silicon radiator hoses, the CNC machine red cylinder cap that takes the long PPR 5ES plug, so you've got a better choice of heat ranges in your plugs there, and the standard long plug. On the ignition side again, the gold cases, the red ignition cover, silicon hoses and that beautiful red cylinder cover again on the TRRS. The TRRS grip foot pegs, CNC machined in this case. Nice wide platform, great to stand on. They're set well back to suit modern riding and lead us straight into this beautiful rear rim. TRRS have used the lightweight Morad rim. You can see the flange has been machined out there between the spokes. The rear sprocket is FIM compliant, so it's filled in, lightweight, Regina chain, amazing full carbon airbox on the RR Gold model. You can see it's a beautiful piece of work. Also on the right hand side there's a matching carbon exhaust heat shield cover here that leads us straight into probably the most outstanding feature of the Gold, and that's the Riga B40 large body rear shock found on the Gold series TRRS bikes. It has preload adjustment, it has rebound adjustment, it has low speed compression adjustment, high speed compression adjustment and Hydrostop. The Hydrostop adjuster makes the compression damping very progressive at the end of the damper travel, which prevents bottoming. It's also adjustable. These Riga damper units also come with a wide range of springs available, so they can be set up to suit any weight rider from really lightweights to quite sturdy guys. You can also see some other things like the titanium header pipe here, nice lobster back finish on those welds, great bash plate from TRRS, and overall this is just one really outstanding bike. All the features packed into one amazingly great looking unit. Congratulations TRRS. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again shortly on the Hill Team Trials Workshop.